Hello guys, welcome back. It's Daniel here with M&D Tech Reviews. I don't know if you guys saw the video that Marcelino posted, but basically he said we were going to get right back into it, and we have a special computer series coming up, so you guys should totally stay tuned for this. Here we got the Lenovo IdeaPad 5. This has got an i7, 12 gigabytes RAM, 512 of solid state drive. So we're gonna open this and we're gonna unbox it. There's gonna be more videos with this computer later in the series, so let's look at the specs of this device. Okay, so now that we've looked at the specs, let's go ahead and unbox it. So there was just one slit that needs to be made here, so I'm gonna just go ahead and open that. So we got a little bit of packaging here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. So before we unpackage the actual laptop, I would like to acknowledge the charger. A nice charger we have here. A nice Lenovo charger. It looks really nice actually. Got a nice little plug here. So I'm super excited for that. We just have some more basic warranty information here. Setup guide, just some fun stuff like that. So yeah, and then here's the warranty. So let's go ahead and actually look at the computer. So we have the actual laptop. We have the actual laptop right here, and the color is Abyss Blue. I don't know if I said that correctly, but so yeah, that's the color. So let's go ahead and open the laptop itself. So we just have a few things that slide off. Let's go ahead and throw those. And then here we actually have the laptop. Let's go ahead. It looks really, really nice, guys. Let's go ahead and take it out of its packaging. And would you look at that, guys? Really nice and really cool looking, really clean looking laptop. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here, I don't know if you guys can see, but we get this nice little screen here. Screen looks super nice. We have a little camera cover there just for now. And wow, guys, this is super nice laptop. The whole keyboard feels sturdy. I'm gonna get a little closer view of that, but this is amazing. So look how sturdy this is. I'm pushing down quite hard. This laptop is absolutely amazing. Look at this nice sound bar you got here. That absolutely looks amazing. And if you look down, you can actually see you got your Core i7 10th gen chip here. You got it just shows you a few features. So yeah, it's got Dolby audio, if that's how you pronounce it, right there. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. So let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, so now we're gonna do some basic setting up on the laptop. So we can go ahead and turn it on, and wow, guys, look at this. I just want you guys to be able to acknowledge this whole keyboard glowing. It's absolutely amazing. It looks perfect. So yeah, turning it on. Let's see what we get. So as I said, the whole lights up. Whoa, you guys can't even see this display, but it looks absolutely amazing. Summing it up for you guys. So let's get a closer view of the screen. So this is where I'm going to end this video. If you guys would like to see more on this laptop, then go ahead and stay tuned. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so you can be notified when we make our next video. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.